Today we're checking out Binder, a powerful platform designed for ultra-secure file sharing. With features like real-time engagement analytics, advanced access controls, data rooms, and document e-signing, Binder is a robust solution for managing sensitive files. File sharing with security. Easily share important files while ensuring they're secure. You can manage e-signatures, create data rooms for projects, prevent unauthorized access, and track engagement, all through a single branded link. How it works. Getting started is simple. Just click Upload File, add your file, and hit New Link to customize your document's distribution settings. You can control who accesses what by assigning files to specific groups. Additional customization options include setting expiration limits, download permissions, passwords, and even restricting access to specific email addresses. Auto-sync updates. Once your document is shared, any updates you make will automatically sync across the board, so users always have access to the most current version via the same link. Analytics and insights. Once someone accesses your document, Binder allows you to track their engagement in real time. In the dashboard, you can see detailed user analytics, including their email, group, time spent on the document, and overall activity. You can even see how much time each user spent on individual pages, giving you in-depth insight into their interaction with your files. Virtual data rooms. For larger projects or deals, Binder's virtual data rooms let you share multiple documents within a branded space. Whether you're managing partnerships, finalizing high-stakes deals, or onboarding new users, simply send a link to grant access to all relevant documents in one centralized location. Binder offers a comprehensive, secure platform for sharing and managing sensitive files, making it a valuable tool for businesses looking to maintain full control over their document distribution and engagement analytics. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check Lifetime Deal link in the description below.